what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? It is I, the Work at Home Job Queen, and today is May 13th, 2021. And as always, I'm here to share some amazing work at home jobs with you guys on today. Make sure that you guys join my text messaging family. That text messaging notification is absolute gold, okay? There have been people who've reached out who literally tell me that they, of course you're going to get the text messages like really, really fast. So of course you're going to probably get them a little bit quicker than the email. Oftentimes, like I said, sometimes depending on who your email carrier is, you can get the emails anywhere from 5 minutes, sometimes upwards to an hour. Okay. That's how long, depending on your carrier, how long it will take for the emails to get to you guys. But the text messages are instant, okay? So send me a text message to 205-953-4597. 205-953-4597. You can just say opt in or hi. It really doesn't matter, okay? Just make sure when you send me that text message, there's going to be a link that I'm going to send back. You click that link and you're going to have to confirm that you actually want to join the text messaging family, okay? I don't spam you. The only thing that I send to you is going to be whenever I upload brand new jobs, okay? And some of these links expire within minutes. Some of them it takes hours, some of them days, okay? But some of them, like the really, really popular ones, the really, really good ones, some of those can literally in an hour be gone, all right? Some of them within 30 minutes can be gone. So just make sure that you join that text messaging family if you're interested. It's not a requirement. If you're on the email list, that is still a great option as well if you just don't want to join the text messaging family. But I just think text is a little bit quicker, okay? But you can also sign up to my email newsletter. That link is on the blog as well. Just go over to the blog where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Input your email and click send me new leads, and I'll put you on the email list as well, all right? And also make sure you come over and join this Work at Home Lounge on Facebook, y'all. It's self-explanatory. It speaks for itself. If you're a part of that group, you already know how amazing it is. You already know the blessings that are flowing through that group. Everybody attached to me will win, period, point blank. So let's go ahead and get into these jobs, all right? If you're looking for an opportunity where you do not have to work weekends, y'all might want to check this out, okay? Privia Health. A lot of people, I've heard amazing things about Privia Health. I haven't really heard anybody have any complaints about them, but they're looking for billing resolution specialists to work from home. Now, this is a Monday through Friday schedule. You need to be able to work an 8-hour shift between the hours of 8 to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, okay? So, awesome opportunity. Basically, you'll be taking incoming calls from patients using the company's database to reconcile, resolve, and ensure clear communication for all billing and payment related inquiries. Okay, so definitely check out that. That is Privia Health, and they're looking for billing resolution specialists. All right. Also, another awesome Monday through Friday position. CareCentrix is looking for healthcare customer service experts to work on their fax project, okay? So with this one, you will be the first point of contact for patients needing home healthcare services. You will be responsible for receiving and responding to incoming faxes from providers, referral sources, and potential patients by collecting and entering clinical and demographic information into their CareCentrix portal, okay? This is Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern, okay? They're paying $16.35 per hour for that position, all right? So that is for CareCentrix for the health customer service expert fax position, all right? Also, Norwegian Cruise Line. Now, with this position, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a warning, okay? The Norwegian Cruise Line link is listed under yesterday's date. So remember, as I always say, when you come over to this blog, you doing yourself a disservice if you just stay under today's date. Y'all better go over here and scroll, all right? If the link still works, that means what? They're still hiring. So please do not just stay under today's date. Please, okay? There are still some amazing jobs that are listed from previous dates. Okay, I cannot stress that enough. All right, but Norwegian Cruise Line, they're looking for guest service representatives to work from home. Now, this link is under yesterday's date, the 12th, May 12th. Just make sure when you click that link, you may get an error. But what I want you to do is I want you to copy the link and then paste it into a browser. I'm not sure why it does that. It says something about cookies or something like that. But what you're probably going to need to do is you're going to need to copy. You're going to go to my blog, click the link. If you get an error, sometimes you get an error, sometimes you don't. But you click the link and then you're going to paste it into like Chrome or something, okay? And it should populate. If it doesn't, just keep refreshing and then it should populate, all right? But they're looking for guest service representatives to work from home. You guys, I don't know about y'all, but a lot of people have cabin fever. Okay, so a lot of people are like antsy about getting on these cruise ships for whatever reason. Okay, but they're looking for representatives to work from home, and what you'll be doing is you'll be taking phone calls regarding bookings, itineraries, travel documents, payment services, booking changes, and or other basic inquiries. Okay. You're going to be processing reservation orders, changes, and cancellations, all right? Now, this is a full-time position, and word on the street is these people give amazing discounts to their employees, okay? So if you're one of those people and you love to cruise, you want to check out this one. I know a couple people who've actually gotten hired with this position that are in the group, and yeah, they said they're bomb, okay? So you definitely want to check out Norwegian Cruise Line. Just make sure when you click on that link, you may get an error. Just copy it and paste it into a browser and then just keep refreshing and it should work. I don't know what it is. It's something going on with their website or whatever, but just do that because you definitely want to apply to this position, all right? So those are a few that I want you guys to check out right now. But of course, don't just stick to those. There are several other amazing positions that are hiring. For example, TTEC is looking for travel agents. Okay. Ensemble is looking for accounts receivable specialists. Every position that is on my blog is 100% work from home. Okay. Also, Waiter is looking for member service specialists to work from home. All right. So definitely go over and check out these opportunities. But the specific ones that I spoke of today is going to be Privia Health. Okay. This is a Monday through Friday position, and also Care Centrics. Okay. This is another Monday through Friday position, and also Norwegian Cruise Line. Go and check them out. Make sure now you join that text messaging family. All right. If you're interested in getting these leads like within a millisecond of me posting them, okay? 205-953-4597. Make sure you join that email list. The link is on the blog. And also make sure you come over and join this Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. Make sure that you have a photo. Your account is not new, and make sure that you answer the 3 questions when prompted, all right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.